In this video, I will show you how to know if you're a Sam's Club Plus member. To know that, first of all, what you can do is simply open up your Sam's Club app or simply go to Chrome and in the search bar search for Sam's Club, then click on the URL. From here, click on this 3 lines menu bar in the top left corner. After that, sign into your account. Once you're signed in, click on that 3-line menu bar again. From there, click on account information. There you can simply see whether you're a Plus member or not, or you can simply check your Sam's Club physical card. There you will simply find the plus icon, or simply there it will state that it's a plus card. Or you can simply check your recent store receipt or your email history. There it will have disclosed about your membership, and that's it. If you think this video was helpful, please like, share, subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.